Welcome to today's lecture. We'll be talking about part 3 of the chemistry of microbiology, which involves chemical reactions. Please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned. You can also contact us through the contacts below for any questions. Chemical reactions. Chemical reactions involve making or breaking of bonds between atoms. The initial substance, the atom, ions, or molecules that exist before a reaction are referred to as reactants, and the resultant substances, as either atoms, molecules, or ions, at the end of a complete reaction are referred to as products. The reactants as products may have different chemical properties and physical properties as well. For example, hydrogen and oxygen are gases and have very different properties from water composed of oxygen and hydrogen. In a chemical reaction, the number and type of atoms never change because atoms are neither created nor destroyed but only rearranged. Synthetic reactions. This type of reaction involves the formation of large or more complex molecules. It is expressed as reactant plus reactant to lead to products. The arrow indicates the direction of the reaction of a new chemical bond. For example, algae makes their own glucose, that is sugar from water and oxygen as shown below. 6 water molecules reacts with the 6 molecules of carbon dioxide to create glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. Synthetic reactions require energy to break the bonds in the reactants and form new bonds to make new products. Such reactions that require energy are referred to as endothermic reactions because they trap energy within new molecular bonds. All the synthetic reactions in an organism are called anabolism. The total number and type of atoms on both sides of the reactions are the same. Decomposition reaction. These are reactions that involve breaking of bonds within large molecules to form small atoms, ions, and molecules. They release energy and are thus exothermic. Thus, reactants are going to form the small parts of the products. For example, aerobic decomposition of glucose to form carbon dioxide and water. That is, glucose, when reacts with oxygen atoms, forms 6 water molecules and 6 carbon dioxide molecules. This reaction is exactly the reverse of the synthetic reaction in algae. Synthesis and decomposition reactions are in most cases reversible in living organisms. All the decomposition reactions in living organisms are referred to as catabolism. Transfer reactions. These reactions involve both breaking and forming of bonds, and endothermic and exothermic steps. Atoms are moved from one molecule to another. For example, atom A plus atom BC forming atom AB and C, or a molecule of atom A and B reacting with the molecule of atom C and D to form a molecule of A and D and B and C. An example is the phosphorylation of glucose, where glucose molecules react with ATP to form glucose ATP plus adenosine diphosphate. All of the chemical reactions in an organism include catabolism, anabolic and exchange reaction are called metabolism. Thank you for supporting. Kindly subscribe to our channel to stay tuned.